We're so thrilled to have you. And of course, our next speaker, she is a licensed physical therapist, coded February 2021, Rookie High Flyers Club 2021, Travel Incentive Qualifier in Japan, Taiwan, Bali, Indonesia, Elite Achiever for 2021, Protection Drive Qualifier 2021 in Sydney, Australia, Protection Drive Qualifier 2022 in Switzerland. She is also a Senior Achiever 2023 and a $1 Million Roundtable 2022. Aspiring Financial Wealth Planner under her tree is 21 with 3 pipeline. Let us all welcome FWP Claire Cobrador. Let's give her a warm round of applause. Ayan, thank you! Grabe guys, no? Ayan, kunin lang natin yung mic. Thank you guys for joining us this afternoon. Guys, palakpakan muna ulit natin our guest speakers for today. Ayan, so thank you po ulit for your time to be with us this afternoon. And alam ko, excited na yung mga guests natin this afternoon to learn about you too. So wag mo lang patagalin pa. Let's have our first question. Ayan, so what were you doing before joining the insurance industry? Siguro let's start with BM Moni.
Hello again guys, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. No? So thank you for coming here no, and listening to this very beautiful opportunity. So ano ba yung ginagawa ko bago ako mag-join sa industry? So na-share din kanina, no? So I'm a former flight attendant. Flight attendant ako sa Philippine Airlines for 7 years. Okay, so pagka-graduate ko ng college, siguro sinwerte din sa opportunity no, na flight attendant na kumita na no, ng siguro above average kasi naging flight attendant tayo. And simula pag-graduate ko, bago ko mapunta sa industry na to, wala akong naging ibang work. No? So sa mga walang sales background dyan, wala din po akong sales background. No? And kung meron man tayo dito mga flight attendant, meron ba na mga flight attendant before? Ayan, kasi kanina may nagsabi sa akin meron daw, no? So, ayan, later na ako mag-expound. So, FA po ako before. Yun lang.
Thank you, BM Moni, from FA to branch manager. Let's have it, Miss Claire. What were you doing before joining the insurance industry?
Good morning for everything else. Good morning, guys. Before I joined the insurance industry, medyo mahaba yung sagot ko. Store manager ako from Watsons. So,